Summer fruits you should eat every day. Summers can be excruciatingly hot and humid. It is critical to keep your system hydrated during the summer. One of the simplest ways is to consume summer fruits. Summer fruits provide an instant energy boost and aid reduce exhaustion and fatigue, which many of us experience throughout the summer months. They will keep your system hydrated and chill you down. But before we begin, support this video and channel by leaving a like right now and smashing the subscribe button. Enjoy. Watermelon. Summer isn't complete without this bright red delicious fruit. During the summer, this is one of the best cooling fruits to eat. Watermelons are both healthful and inexpensive. It is abundant in water, as well as vitamins A and C. Vitamin A strengthens the immune system and is beneficial to the eyes. Vitamin C also helps to boost the immune system. Watermelon also contains vitamin B6 and potassium. Potassium maintains the body's water equilibrium, while vitamin B6 improves immunity. Potassium also aids in the maintenance of a healthy heart and the prevention of muscle spasms. Watermelons can help protect your skin from UV rays. It also aids in the prevention of sunstroke and cancer, as well as improving heart health. Mango. Many individuals enjoy summer because of the mangoes. Mangoes, despite their high calorie content, are high in nutrients. Mangoes are renowned as the king of fruits for a reason. This fruit is high in fiber and contains up to 20 different minerals and vitamins. Fiber aids digestion and keeps you full. Mangoes are high in vitamins A and C, as well as potassium. In addition, zeaxanthin, a pigment found in mangoes, protects the eyes by screening out damaging blue wavelengths. Papaya. Papaya is another fantastic fruit to consume during the summer. This fruit can be eaten dried, ripe, or unripe. Papayas contain vitamins A and C, folate, and a variety of phytochemicals. This fruit also contains papain, a chemical that is beneficial to your digestive health. It also aids in the treatment of indigestion and bloating, which are frequent during the summer. Papaya is also high in beta-carotene. It protects the skin and minimizes irritation. Papaya is also high in antioxidants and can help prevent cancer and heart diseases. It is an excellent choice for someone on a weight loss plan. Guava. Another summer fruit that you can include in your weight loss diet is guava. Many people dislike guava because it is stiff and contains seeds. If you are one of them, you should know there are numerous reasons to adore this fruit. Guavas are great for diabetes. It assists in the management of blood sugar and insulin levels. A single guava per day can boost metabolism, skin tone, eyesight, and mental health. Guavas can also help with menstruation cramps. Strawberries. Strawberries are utilized for centuries. Tonics were made from them and used to cure a variety of health problems. Strawberries are used to treat skin problems, teeth whitening, and digestive difficulties. Their bright colors are due to flavonoids and phytonutrients. Strawberries are also rich in fiber, vitamin C, and manganese. You will also get a lot of folate and potassium. Quercetin is a flavonoid found in strawberries that has anti-inflammatory properties. Strawberries can help you prevent the skin and health issues that come with summer. Grapes. Grapes are a summer fruit that is widely accessible. They are high in antioxidants and contain a lot of potassium. If you have excessive cholesterol or blood sugar, include grapes in your diet. Grapes are good for your heart. They are beneficial to the knees and improve mental health. Grapes also help to prevent numerous viral infections and eye damage. They treat dyspepsia and aid in the battle against breast cancer. Pineapple. To begin, did you realize that pineapple is not a fruit? Pineapple is a clump of separate berries, connected by a stalk. Pineapples are one of the most popular tropical fruits. It's in every fruit salad, made throughout the summer. Pineapples aid in metabolism and inflammation reduction. They regulate hypertension and burn calories. If you like this video and would like to hear more, be sure to press the subscribe button.